Hi, it's Laura with another video in the Inviting Life series, and today we're talking about list making, which can be so useful and powerful in running your life. This is a house of writers, so there's always a stack of scrap paper and pens, and I write lists every day. In fact, I start every day by writing a list. And I put everything down that I have to get done, especially if you're running a house. And you can have separate lists, but one for the house, because all the little things you have to do in running a place seem so small and insignificant. So you sort of think, oh, I didn't do anything today. But if you've had it on a list, you have a real sense of accomplishment and you see how much you've done. And you get more done, which is great. Another kind of list is this sort of a rare list that I make, but I did one last week, which is the dread list. And that's all the things that you have hanging over your head that you keep procrastinating about. It might be clean out garage. It might be apologize to so-and-so. It might be book all the medical appointments. Whatever it is, the thing that's nagging in the back of your head, don't carry it on through the year. Just write the list of all the things you dread and get them done. I mean, not all in one day, obviously. These are big things, but whatever they are, have them there and think how good you'll feel when you've ticked those boxes off. Another kind of list, and this is my favorite, is a dream list. And I do these almost every day too. You write down anything that you hope to achieve or want to become. It's your own private little list, and it's like planting a seed in your mind so that it can grow in there. You don't have to pay attention to it. So you write down your hopes and dreams and then you rip it up. And it brings your wish that much closer to coming true. If you like this video and want to be notified when I post the next one, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if there are topics you'd like to see discussed here, go to lauracalder.com and send me an email. Thanks. I'll see you soon.